Welcome to Lunar Archer, a quiet space to pause, reflect, and aim with intention. I'm so glad you are here. Take a slow, deep breath and allow yourself to arrive in this moment. Have you ever reached the end of the day and wondered, how did another day pass without checking in with myself? Life moves quickly. We are constantly responding to messages, meeting deadlines, taking care of responsibilities, thinking about tomorrow. But somewhere in the middle of all that, we stop listening to ourselves. That's why I believe journaling isn't simply about writing, it's about coming home to yourself. And today, I would love to share 5 journal prompts that may help you understand yourself a little more deeply. So, if you have a journal nearby, or even just a quiet moment, let's begin. Many of you must be thinking, why journaling matters? We often believe clarity comes from finding the right answers, but more often, clarity begins with asking yourselves better questions. Journaling creates space to notice your emotions, space to understand your thoughts, space to hear your own voice beneath the noise of everyday life. You don't need to write pages every day. Sometimes, one honest answer can change the way you see yourself. Let's begin with our first question. Who am I when no one expects anything from me? Imagine there were no expectations, no labels, no pressure to impress anyone. Who would you naturally become? What would you choose? What would truly makes you happy? Sometimes the person we are searching for has been there all along, waiting beneath everyone else's expectations. Take a moment to sit with that. Number 2. What am I avoiding and why? Avoidance often isn't laziness, it's fear. Perhaps it's a conversation you have been postponing, a decision you have been afraid to make, or maybe a dream you have quietly placed on hold. Instead of asking, what's wrong with me? Try asking, what I am protecting myself from. The small shift can reveal something powerful. Number 3. When did I last feel truly alive? Think back over the past few weeks. Maybe it was watching the sunrise, creating something, laughing with someone you love, walking in nature, reading without distractions. Those moments aren't accidents. They are gentle reminders of what brings your soul to life. Pay attention to them. Number 4. If fear wasn't making the decision, what would I choose? Fear has an important role. It tries to keep us safe, but sometimes it also keeps us small. Imagine fear quietly stepping aside for just one moment. What would your heart choose? Write without judging yourself. Let your truth arrive before your inner critic does. Number 5. What do I need more of? And what do I need less of? More peace? more rest, more creativity, more honesty, less comparison, less self doubt, less rushing. Don't overthink your answers. The first one that comes to your heart are often the most honest. Self discovery isn't about becoming someone else, it's about remembering who you have always beneath the expectations, the noise, and the distractions. I hope one of today's prompts stays with you long after this video ends. If one resonated with you, I would love to hear about it in the comments. And if you're looking for a little more structure in your journaling practice, I have created Within and Beyond, a mindful living companion, a 30-day guided journal filled with thoughtful prompts designed to help you build a consistent habit of self reflection. You will find the link in the description whenever you are ready. Thank you for spending these quiet moments with me. Until next time, pause, reflect, aim with intention. This is Lunar Archer reminding you to look within, aim beyond, trust your own journey, and I will see you under the next moon.